KC Pier, many people don't realize this, but we actually do radon testing and radon mitigation. And the neat thing about radon testing and mitigation is it fits very well with basement waterproofing and even structural repair, because radon collects in the lowest parts of the home, which typically is the basement. And so, especially for those doing a sump pump repair, the way you mitigate radon with vacuum systems and plumbing piping, you can integrate that into the repair itself with sump pumps. So what we do at KC Pier is we can set detectors for 48 hours in the basements of homes and test for the concentration of radon. Radon is a heavy gas. It collects and then lowers and collects in areas of the home, typically in the basement, and it's a known carcinogen. It is documented as a known carcinogen. So in areas where they are found to be highly concentrated, we have mitigation techniques to vacuum or clean the air essentially for radon. And so the way it is tested is we set detectors for 48 hours. These detectors are read remotely through our applications and then read in real time to homeowners so they know what base level radon testing is, where it's safe, and also when concentrations are high. And when concentrations are high, ultimately, we take steps to mitigate. And so there's multiple ways to mitigate radon. You can do it through plumbing techniques, and there's a strategy that's different and varies, and it's applied, customized to every single home. So when it comes to radon mitigation and doing a foundation repair, it may be a good idea to do those two hand in hand. As long as we're in the basement, we're adding a resolution to whether it's structural or waterproofing. We also have the ability to take a look at radon and see if your home happens to be higher than standard levels of concentration. And if it is, then obviously we have the ability to apply different techniques to mitigate the radon to ensure that the heavier gas that's collecting will not collect. It'll be vacuumed out and placed into the air, and it keeps the inside environment safe and free of radon concentration, as well as obviously dry if we're doing some type of waterproofing, or structurally sound if we're integrating that with a structural repair from KC Pier.